Hello everyone out there, this is the Prodigy, and yes, I'm back tonight. And one of the reasons why I'm actually back is, guys, we're gonna actually be giving out some free marketing and training tonight. Don't know why it's looking like that, but anyways, we're gonna be giving out some free marketing and training tonight. That's why I want you guys to stay tuned. I want you to subscribe to my channel, and I want you to hit that little notification button. That way you're actually able to get these free tools that we're going to be releasing tonight. And what these free tools are going to be able to do for you is they're going to be able to drive traffic for you, which is going to help you actually make commissions. So if you don't have enough to actually get an email processing or join any other company, with these free tools and free training we're about to be releasing on this channel, you're going to be able to actually make some money with whatever program that's out there, free program or whatnot. That way you're actually able to invest in our program that's going to actually guarantee you some big income that's going to actually be able to change your life. So like I said, guys, like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for the notification of the videos that are going to be released within the next hour of the free marketing system, software, tools, training. Guys, we have it all for you tonight, so stay tuned. God bless, and you will see me in my next video.